ولتجدنهم أحرص الناس على حياة ومن الذين أشركوا يود أحدهم لو يعمر 1000 سنة وما هو بمزحزحه من العذاب أن يعمر والله بصير بما يعملون.
You will certainly find them most eager to cling on to life. Indeed, even more eager than those who associate others with Allah in His divinity. Each one of them wishes to live 1,000 years, although the bestowal of long life cannot remove him from chastisement. Allah sees whatever they do.
قل من كان عدوا لجبريل فإنه نزله على قلبك بإذن الله مصدقا لما بين يديه وهدى وبشرى للمؤمنين.
Say, whoever is an enemy to Gabriel should know that he revealed this Quran to your heart by Allah's leave. It confirms the scriptures revealed before it and is a guidance and good tiding to the people of faith.
من كان عدوا لله وملائكته ورسله وجبريل وميكال فإن الله عدو للكافرين.
And if this is the cause of their hostility to Gabriel, let them know, whoever is an enemy to Allah, His angels and His messengers, and to Gabriel and Michael, will surely find Allah an enemy to such unbelievers.
وَلَقَدْ أَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكَ آيَاتٍ بَيِّنَاتٍ وَمَا يَكْفُرُ بِهَا إِلَّا الْفَاسِقُونَ.
We surely send down to you clear verses that elucidate the truth, verses which only the transgressors reject as false.
أَوَكُلَّمَا عَاهَدُوا عَهْدًا نَبَذَهُ فَرِيقٌ مِّنْهُمْ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ.
Is it not that every time they made a covenant with Allah, a party of them set it aside? The truth is that most of them do not truly believe.